Hello friends, welcome to knowledge.com. Today this is the third class of the GNU plot. Okay. In the previous classes we have learned basic knowledge of GNU plot, like how to change directory, like how to save data files, plotting of functions, plotting of data files, etc. We also have practiced on changing color, width and title of the graphs, labels of the axis, etc. Alright. Today we will learn how to plot more than one axis in a single graph, and how to change the font, color and style of the label and title. Okay, so let's start. Here I am opening my GNU plot. This is the editor section. Okay. First of all, we have to change directory, because the data file save in another folder, so we have to choose that one folder. I am choosing uh, new folder. Okay. So before plotting any graph, we have to set the range of x-axis or x-axis, y-axis. Okay. So I have to write set x-axis, x range, sorry, x range, lower bound, right lower bound, and after this write upper bound. Okay, bracket close, enter. Now we have to set to y range. So y range I have taken 1 raised to 12, 1 and 12, bracket close, enter. We have to choose one another axis so that we can plot second graph with another axis. So I have to give a command for setting range. Set y2 range, y2 range. Here I am taking lower bound is 1 and upper bound is 15. Okay, bracket close. So this is time to setting label. After this, for setting label we have to command set x label. Okay, the label name is thickness, close, enter. After this I have to set y1 label. Okay, and the name of y1 label I am taking height. Okay, press enter. After this I have to set y2 label, and the name I am taking y2 label is length. Okay, inverted comma close. Okay, after this we will write set y ticks y ticks y ticks. Okay, no mirror, y ticks no mirror, press enter. So that y1 and y2 axis not become same. Okay, now give command y2 ticks, y2 set y2 ticks, set y2 ticks. Okay, here I am choosing uh, data style I am taking here is line. Okay, now this is time to plot the our graph that we have to plot. uh, the data file, we have to choose first and second. So I have to write plot first graph. For first graph I have to write first dot plt, because the name of the data file is first. Okay, and inverted comma close, and the title name I have to give uh, I have to give height, uh, height, okay, inverted comma close. The color I want to give for this graph is red. So I have to write lt rgb, rgb inverted comma red, okay, inverted comma close. uh, I am pressing enter, but uh, so plot first dot plt title, title name is height, color is red, okay, and width I am taking 5 scale, and this graph will plot with respect to x1 axis and y2 axis. So I have to write axis x1 y1, okay, comma. Now for second graph, plotting second graph, I have to write second dot plt. Don't forget the name of second, the name, don't forget the extension dot plt, and I'm giving the title name of this graph is uh, length, okay, inverted comma close, length inverted comma close, space, and color of this graph I am taking, LTRGB uh, green, okay, inverted comma close, and width of this graph I am taking 4 scale. After this I have to write axis x2 y2, okay, and press enter. So now the graph is visible on the screen. We can see that y1 axis having a range x to 1 to 10, 1 to 12, and y2 axis range is 2 to 15, here 14, after this 15, and range of x-axis is 1 to 10, and level of the y1 axis is height, and level of y2 axis is length, and level of x axis is thickness, okay, and title here, red color is represent the height, and green color is represent the length, okay. uh, Now we want to change the coordinate of title, so we have to give a command for setting title. Suppose we want to title is placed about here, here the so the coordinate of this point is about 5 comma 10, 5 comma 7, I think. So we have to write uh, close, after closing this we have to write set key, set key at 5 comma 5 comma 7, okay, press enter, and plotting the graph. So now the coordinate of title have changed, okay. Now we can change the font size and style of the title label ticks, okay. So for this we have to click on here option, and here this is a font. Clicking this, after clicking this, there is a three option, font. I I'm taking Times New Roman, and style I'm taking bold, bold italic, okay, and size I'm taking about 20, okay, and press OK. So the whole graph uh, become change. The style of y1 axis, y1 level, the style of y2 level, and title, and label of x-axis, all become change. And the size of the label and ticks also become change, okay. So uh, uh, we want to save this file. uh, we want to save this file. Press save the graph and select the folder, okay. Something I'm giving name ABC, okay, and simply save the graph. So today we will learn about two graphs with their axis, and learned how to change the font style, font size style of the graphs, and also learned uh, how to change the coordinate of title. So in the next class we will learn how to plot power of 10 graphs, logarithmic graphs, exponential graphs, etc. Okay. So thank you.